Morning, and we're gonna start out by.
My mom had to go.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
I'm coming to class.
You definitely are not coming to class like that.
Really?
Where did you think you were going this morning when you got dressed for school?
To school? What do you mean? I'm dressed.
You're not dressed.
I'm dressed.
You are.
Top and bottom.
No, there's no way you thought you was gonna come to school or come to my class dressed like that.
I look like I'm in the front seat. Like I'm
gonna need you to get up.
Get up.
Yes, get up.
Why?
And get out. We're gonna try this again. You actually need to go home because there's no way you're gonna come to my class or nobody else's class dressed like this.
Like I really just wanted to be here to learn, and you're making like
You can't learn.
You're disrupting the
No,
class.
you're distracting my class.
I'm distracting.
And you dressed
We're all grown.
inappropriately.
Everyone's here.
No.
Everyone's in a
No
group
one's.
here.
No. I'm gonna need you to get
You're
up.
telling me that everyone can't learn because I'm wearing clothes.
You're
to
not.
school?
Those are not clothes, baby.
I don't
Those are not
understand.
clothes. You thought you was going to the pool.
No, I thought I was coming to class.
You thought you was going into the pool.
What's the difference?
The pool.
The pool. What about the pool? Like
That's where
you
you're
wear
dressed.
clothes to the pool. You wear clothes to school.
And
it all rhymes.
school
And it's all
and
close, so
pool
let's
is
just
two
learn.
different things,
I don't
baby.
understand.
It's two
Like,
different
why don't
things.
we-
Oh my God! Did your mom see you before you left the house?
My mom wasn't home.
Did she
It's
see
fine.
you before you left the house, or did you
No.
have that
What's
in
that?
your book bag and your regular clothes on before you left home?
And then I
you
came to school and I
threw
got
that
my
on,
little
right?
outfit and I'm here to learn.
All right. I'm gonna ask you to get up.
Get up. Why? Because you want everyone to look at me?
No,
now?
I
Like, you're
want
trying to
no.
make
You
an
wanted
example
everybody to
out
look
of
at you.
this? Like,
You wanted everybody
I
to
came
look
in
at
and I
you.
sat right
But what
in
I'm
my
gonna need
desk.
you to do is do a
You want me
rewind.
to
A
get up? You want me to
rewind.
get up and like make a moment out of it? Like, can
No,
we all
I
learn
want you
now?
to get
Are
up,
we all
turn
ready to
around,
learn?
turn around.
Yes.
Turn
I
around.
like the outfit.
Yes,
I know
they
you
think I
do.
look great. Thank
You distracting my class. We're here to
I'm
learn.
not- You
I'm
told me to
here to
get up and
teach.
distract the class.
I want you to leave out the door.
You want me to?
I want you to walk out the door and
I
leave.
got my notebooks here. My
You got your
bags
notebook. You
here.
wanted to learn, but
I'm
you
ready.
dressed like you.
We just get
I
back
just
to the
snuck
lesson.
it.
No,
we
we
just get
cannot
back to
get
the
to lesson
lesson?
because in school you cannot come dressed like this.
Why?
This is
Maybe you
inappropriate.
can't come dressed like this.
No, nobody should. Nobody should want to.
What do
Get
you
your book
want
bag.
to?
Get
I
your
don't
book
know.
bag. Get your book bag.
I'm just trying to like express. This is what school's about: growing into yourself, being able to express
Growing
who you
into
are,
yourself.
learning about the world.
And also school
What do we
is
do?
about.
Learn about the world and about each other. Like I'm just here,
Okay.
trying to
All
learn.
right. All right.
Whoa! You
Come
don't
on.
know how to touch me. Like,
No, I'm not touching you. I'm touching this
You're
desk.
touching my dad. This
And at
is
this point,
ridiculous.
yes.
And at this point,
Come on,
what?
baby girl. Come
Baby
on.
girl.
Yes,
Baby
baby
girl.
girl. Baby
Y'all
girl.
grown enough?
What?
We're all grown here.
No, you still sitting down.
Uh-huh.
It's actually time for you to
Learn.
get up.
It's time to learn. Hey,
No, we're not gonna learn
We
anything.
gotta
We're not gonna learn. You don't need to give her anything. Don't give her anything. She's not here to
You're
learn.
touching
She's
us,
actually
ma'am. Please
here-
don't touch it. Look.
She's here
I'm
not to
here.
learn. She's
I'm
not.
here to learn.
You got a lesson to learn.
I
Never to wear
I do
that
have a lesson to
again.
learn, and I wish
Your
you
lesson
could be teaching
is
it right now.
never to
I
wear
wish
that
you could be
again.
teaching the lesson right
You
now.
literally should maybe go.
know, right?
Go where? To school. You
No,
want me to go home? You want me
this
to
is
miss
not
out on my
appropriate for school.
education?
No, you need to go to somebody's swimming pool.
I would
And
love
that-
to be at somebody's swimming pool right
I know
now. but
you
I'm here
would.
at school because I got it.
I'm
So
asking
let's
you,
learn.
did your
So
mother
let's learn
see
about
you
it.
leave out the house like that? Because at this point, that's who I'm gonna call. Your
Call-
mother.
Call her. She's
Yeah.
not gonna answer.
Well, somebody gonna have to come get you because you cannot be in school like this.
Why?
Because it's inappropriate.
What's inappropriate?
Everything
my
you have
body?
on.
You
No,
just
everything you
gonna
have
say that
on
my
is
body and what we're all wearing is
Your-
inappropriate?
Everything you have on is inappropriate.
It's a
I've
hot
got
mess.
clothes on. I got top and bottom.
It's
Top
against
and
the
bottom.
dress code.
Top and bottom.
I'm
You thought you was
covered.
gonna come to school.
I thought I
I'm
was gonna come
sure
to
your
school,
mother.
learn a lesson in my top and my bottom, and then let's like learn a lesson
No,
about
you ain't
it.
gonna learn a lesson in my class. The lesson is to put clothes on in the morning when you come
I
into
have
school.
my clothes on right
That's
now.
your lesson.
Am I still
Lesson.
going to be doing my
Lesson.
presentation? Because this is easy.
Yeah, after I
Let's
get
get
her,
into the
after I get her
presentation.
up and
Let's
out my class,
Let's just go.
we will.
Listen.
We will go ahead
Let
and
me
finish
reason
what
with you. Let me
we
reason with
started.
you. I came into school with my bag with everything ready to learn. I sat down front and center, ready to learn, and then you made
Front
a
and-
moment
No.
out of me.
You
disrupted the class
You caused the
by
scene in my
calling me
class.
out.
We came. Y'all all came here to learn, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
And I'm here to
Would
learn
your
too.
mother let you walk out the house with something like this on?
Maybe
No.
we have different mothers.
I don't care what she's wearing. I just want to do my presentation.
I just wanna
And now
listen to
I'm
the
running out of
presentation.
time to do it. Like,
No,
Can I just
no.
do the presentation?
You can't
Yeah,
do your
so
You
presentation
just put on
until
like
then.
gym clothes so we can get on with this. Like just put on some gym clothes or something.
I don't have other This clothes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can give you my hood. Would that help?
No, she's gonna leave. She can't go to anybody else's
Want me
class
to
like this.
leave?
She's gonna go home,
I'll
get dressed.
study the rest of this. So what's
Pay
the
for
big
this
deal?
class, man.
Dude, I hate this class too. It's dumb. I
No,
thought we were
what's
just here
dumb
to
is you
grow.
think you can walk in here dressed like that. That was dumb. You want to talk about dumb? Let's talk about
Yeah,
dumb.
talk about dumb.
That's
Tell
dumb.
me, teacher,
That's
please.
dumb.
Tell me more
That's
about why
dumb.
I'm dumb.
That's
Just
dumb.
kill my confidence in your classroom.
No, I'm not killing no confidence.
You call me
You
dumb.
killing your own confidence.
I feel
because you
confident.
feel like you
Facts.
gotta
I feel
show
confident.
everything. You gotta
Facts.
show everything. What you want some attention?
So what?
You got it.
No, I'm here.
Class, give her a round of applause.
Thank you. All right.
Give her a round of applause, and maybe she'll put on clothes tomorrow morning.
Thank you.
Cause that's what she wants. She wants to be seen.
I
You want to be
see now.
seen?
I wanted
You
to
wanna
learn
be
actually,
seen?
but
No, you couldn't have wanted to
apparently-
learn.
Apparently, I want.
You know what kind of
teacher
teacher I am, and you thought you was gonna walk in my class dressed like this, and everything was gonna just fly, baby. Do I look like I'm one of them? I'm not one of them.
You want to put on the
I'm not
suit
one of
too?
them.
We can match.
I'm not one of
Like
them.
You want to be
Preach.
seen.
Baby, I'm
Maybe
not
we
one of
can go
them.
home. Maybe
I'm
we
not
can
one
go
of them.
home. No, no.
My name is Murkison for a reason.
All right, Ms.
I got one
so
for
what?
you. Give me 1 minute. Security, can I get security in here, please? I need her escorted out my class, please.
I'm just trying to learn. Thank
Okay.
you.
I
Look, I got my pen. I'm
what's
ready.
the problem?
I'm ready to go. She just won't let me
She
learn.
literally, look how she's dressed. I don't even know
Look
how
I'm
she
dressed. I'm dressed.
I want her up out of here.
Okay, the teacher wants you out, you have to leave.
And maybe you could try again tomorrow. Listen to me. Try again tomorrow. Make sure you come fully clothed before you
fully
walk in
clothed. I'm
my
fully
door.
clothed. I can't
202,
believe
I'm
this.
gonna
I
need
can't
you to
believe
literally
this.
have clothes on.
I'm dressed.
Y'all give her a round of applause. She wanna get seen. She wanna get seen. Now we can start our lesson. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Try again tomorrow. Now, where was I? You ready to do your presentation?
Yes.
Thank you.
I am.
Let's go.